I'm Gracie. Welcome to Lockdown Mocktails. As it's a sunny afternoon, I'm going to be making a few simple mocktails. So to start with, we need our ingredients. For the first mocktail, we will need some lemon and some passion fruit and a bit of soda water. So first, we will need to scrape it all in, including the seeds. And then when we've done all of that, we need to put on the sieve and squeeze some lemon juice in. We use a sieve so we don't get any seeds. That is very squeezed. And then take this off and mix it that really good. It looks like orange juice with eyeballs in it. Okay, mixed up, we'll put about halfway. That was good measuring. And then we'll finish off by adding in some soda water. And this is our first lockdown mocktail. Our second one, all we will need is some soda water and frozen fruit. This one's very simple. So basically, we pour in and now we finish it off by pouring in some soda water. And here are your lockdown mocktails. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and see you next time for more lockdown mocktails.